Happy wife, happy life.
Good morning. Maghihilamos muna ako habang tulog pa yung dalawang kulit. Actually, si Dawson pagising na yun para kumain. Natatawa kami ni Calvo kasi si Brayden is starting to sleep longer, like 4 to 5 hours sa gabi. While Dawson is like an alarm clock. Talagang gigising siya every 2 hours to eat. Kaya mas malaki siya kaysa sa kanyang kapatid. Actually, we don't know yet kasi sa isang araw meron silang appointment for their 2 months old appointment. Meron silang shots, ayan, kakaroon sila ng vaccination, so it's going to be a rough day and night for us. It's dalawa pa. Anyway, sana hindi naman magkalayo yung weight nila. Pero kasi mukhang, pag kinarga mo sila mukhang mabigat si Dawson kasi kain ng kain. Ayan, maghihilamos muna ako. Minsan hindi ko na ito nagagawa. Kasi nakalimutan ko na kapag maaga nagigising yung kabal. Nga pala, meron lang akong concern kay Dawson. Kahapon, habang karga-karga ko siya, natakot ako kasi biglang nakita ko merong siyang dark spot dito sa ilalim. Kailangan mo siyang i-pull yung kanyang eyelid para makita mo siya. I don't know if it's been there. Siguro hindi naman simula nung panganak nila kasi syempre chinek yun ng doctor, di ba? Hindi naman nila na-mention sa amin. So, hindi ko alam kung kailan pa yun dyan. Basta natakot ako kasi ang laki niya for an infant. I started to search online. Alam mo na. It says that some says it's normal na mawawala din after 2 or 3 weeks, but some says it's to have it check kasi meron daw mga cancerous na sometimes. Bigla ako natakot kasi hindi ko alam kung nunal siya, basta siguro yung pinaka-close na color na masabi ko is like brownish. Pero ang laki niya, hindi lang siya maliit na spot. Dito sa ilalim talaga. Naalala ko may mga tao akong nakitang may ganun. Sana mawala. Pero kapag ano siya, tinitigan mo siya, like nagtitingin-tingin siya ng ganyan, hindi mo makikita unless iganon mo talaga yung mata niya. So, siguro kung hindi man siya mawala, hindi naman halata. But, sana hindi naman siya, seryoso na kawawa naman kasi, diba, ang liit-liit pa. Pero, yeah, I got scared yesterday, but good thing na nakita ko siya before yung kanilang check-up. At least may tatanong ko sa kanilang doktor bukas. Ay, nakaka-stress yung ganun kasi hindi mo alam kung ano yung nararamdaman nila. Kaya gusto ko lumaki na agad sila. Kaya lang paglaki naman, mag-worry ka pa rin kasi yan, habang buhay ka talagang mag-worry sa anak mo. I love this proactive face mask. Talagang nagpapadry siya ng aking acne. Kaya lang yung mga marks ay nandyan pa rin. So, Calvo get up too early today kasi nakalimutan niyang bumili ng formula yesterday. Kawawa naman, puyat na nga. Aga pa nagising kasi pumunta sa store para bumili ng gatas. Ayan, gising na naman si Dawson para kumain. Tingnan niyo yung mukha, may mga ito yung tawag dun, ito yung milk sa pisngi kasi takaw-takaw. Samantala yung kapatid niya tulog na tulog. It's time to eat. Hi everyone. Hindi nyo mata ni Dawson. Kasi hindi nyo makikita kapag ganyan. Kailangan yung i-pull yung dito niya para makita nyo yung mark. Kaya lang ayaw niya. So, ayan, it's going to be Mommy and Dawson's time while Brayden is still sleeping. So, I'm making hilot-hilot. Hinihilot ko yung legs niya para hindi masakang. And we're gonna have tummy time. Guys, gising na gising yung dalawa. Hi, Dawson. Why are you looking at me like that earlier, ha? Ha? Ayan. Ito si Brayden, malayo ang tingin. Wala namang tinatana. Bray! Hi, Brayden! Brayden ko! Hi, baby ko! Brayden ko! How about kuya ko? Kuya Dawson? Si Kuya Dawson. Sumusunod naman siya kaya I know wala siyang diferensya sa kanyang vision. Hi. Hi, kuya ko. What are you doing? Ang kukulit na mga bata. Ang nanay niyo gutom na. Pakainin niyo naman ako. Mga anak ko, matulog na kayo. Ayaw matulog. Tingnan niyo guys, ang lalaki ng mga mata. Inaantay ata ang tatay nila kasi pauwi na. Si Dawson ay mataba. You're so mataba. Yun, ang pisngi niya mas malaki compare kay Brayden. But the last time, halos kunti lang ang difference ng kanilang weight. So, we don't know this time kasi ang takaw ni Dawson. Hi guys! Ayan, it's almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon and we're sleepy. Ang init ng ulo ni Dawson. Inaantok kasi. Oh, look at my baby. Okay, we're gonna go to sleep na. We're gonna go sleep na, baby. May dumating na package today again. But this is not from... Ano yung nahulog? Nahulog ata yung gunting. But this is not from our YouTube followers. This is the prize that I won from a giveaway. Lagi na ako sumasali sa giveaway ngayon. And this is from Dr. Brown's. Ayan, they sent me this. Ito yung napanalunan ko sa giveaway nila sa Instagram. Lagi na ako nasali ng mga baby stuff giveaway sa Instagram. Yun yung dalawa naglalaro. So, I'm so happy. I got, how many? 3? 5? I think 7 bottles. I'm so happy to have this. Kasi nga, di ba, meron na kaming 18 pieces at least now. May pandagdag na. Thank you so much. Thank you. Dr. Brown's. And this is what inside. Let's look. Iba yung bote nila. 3 big ones and 2 small ones here. And there's an extra, I don't know what's this one. An extra nipples. Yikes! Thank you! Ina nga pala, habang pinapalidi ko si Dawson, while I was feeding Dawson, I noticed that mayroon ding dark spot sa kabila niyang eye. So, yung una naming nakita kahapon, was it yesterday when we saw it?
Yesterday, first time I saw it.
Dito sa kanyang kaliwa. Tapos kanina nung pinapalidi ko siya, may nakita ko sa kanan, kaso nasa taas naman. Pero mas maliit siya kaysa dun sa kabila. It makes me worry, but he kept telling me not to worry about it right now.
We're going to talk to the doctor tomorrow, so...
Cover my tongue. Takpan yung tiyan.
Wonder why my leg's moving. I'm bouncing.
Yeah.
Dawson on the little bouncy thing.
And yeah, it's been 8 weeks since my C-section, so wala na akong restriction, so I can actually start working out, but I just don't have time kasi nga I'm always busy with these beautiful babies. Okay. We're gonna update you guys kung ano yung sabi ng doktor sa kanyang mata, but we're hoping it's nothing to be concerned of. Kawawa naman, but we know that he doesn't have any problem with his vision.
Yeah, because he'll follow your finger and he'll look at you. And don't think there's any problems with the vision. I mean, we just assume he can see good.
Yeah, kasi nag-interact naman siya sa amin. So, sana hindi maapektuhan yung kanyang vision. So, guys, kung meron man sa aming mga viewers, if you guys experience this with your newborn infants or your children, you can guys tell me about it under the comment section below. Pero, wag nyo naman akong takutin. Baka matuluyan na ako. Yan, pinapatulog ko nga pala si Brayden. So yun, tomorrow is a big day. We're gonna have shots. And I hope they don't have fever after that. Kasi di ba laging nilalagnat yung mga bata kapag after ng vaccination. So, we're hoping they will do good. It's going to be a rough night. For sure they're gonna cry a lot kasi mga crybaby itong mga anak ko. So yun lang for today, guys. Maraming salamat. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, everyone.
Bye. I know I got a couple shout outs I'm supposed to do for people, but I'll do that probably tomorrow or something.
Okay.
They had messaged me and asked me to do it, and I haven't done it yet. But I will. Maybe tomorrow.